Hello, I'm talking to Libin Dai, who's Director of Integrated Solutions for Huawei. Libin, today we've seen a lot of presentations at the pre-MWC Analyst and Media event about sort of establishing an open and healthy ecosystem. So what is involved, and how is Huawei going to position itself to build this open ecosystem?
We, simply speaking, we position ourselves as the primary integrator. You know, this NFV and SDN is a very huge, very large architecture with multiple building blocks working together. So on the one hand, we are targeting at providing the best of breed for each building blocks. And on the other hand, we will be able to, providing a end-to-end ecosystem. We're talking about from the bottom layer, we will be providing the cards as a hardware infrastructure, and in the middle layer, we will be providing a cloud operating system as an ecosystem platform. And on the upper level, we will provide by ourselves, both by ourselves and by our partners. We will providing the one-stop shop kind of services and applications for our customers. And most importantly, we believe that our customer gonna need an end-to-end coordinator, which is gonna be us, Huawei. Yeah.
Okay, as with anything, with the sort of starting this new sort of infrastructure, what are some of the key challenges you see to building this ecosystem?
Well, there are multiple challenges. There's quite a lot of challenges from multiple dimensions. We're talking about the challenges from business perspective, from technical perspective, from organizational perspective as well. So if you look at this SDN or NFV architecture, like what I said, there are multiple building blocks working together. So we need to figure out the protocols between each modules. So we will stick on the public protocols instead of proprietary, because we understand that the operator try to get rid of lock-in in the new architecture. Right. From business perspective, I think both, the whole industry, I'm talking about the telco industry, need to change the mindset, right, from the communication-oriented industrial into the service and data-oriented kind of industry, right? And most importantly, from the organization and the capability perspective, I think the operator might need to think about how to build this skill and the capability, how to transform their organization to fit the future architecture of a Softcom, or let's say SDN and NFV. And Huawei will be assistant to the operator, to our customers, to achieve that target.
Okay, so how will you start to be that sort of person that starts to coordinate that in terms of Huawei to address those challenges? How will you do that?
Well, we have been promoting our architecture for SDN and NFV for several years. Our architecture, our strategy is Softcom. So with Softcom, on the one hand, we are going to provide like what I said, best of breed for each building block. And on the other hand, there are going to be some brand new platforms and tools available for the transformation. We're talking about the cloud operating system, or the Fusion Manager, which is a brand new management system, as well as Telco OS, which is even more interruptive or innovative platform for both the operation of the infrastructure and operation for the business enablement. And last but not least, we should be able to provide some soft capability. We're talking about end-to-end integration and the full range of or full stack of consultancy services from the technical and the business level. So with all of these tools, the know-how, the platforms, the product and solutions, we believe that we together with together with our partners in the industries, with our customers, we can make it happen.
Okay, well, thanks for talking to us today.
Thank you.